This is Sridhar Rangayan, Festival Director, welcoming you to the third day of 5th Mumbai International Queer Film Festival, Kashish. And we are so happy that even the third day, lots of activities happening here, lots of good films, and a great panel discussion happening on the first floor. The panel discussion is about cinema and literature and how it can actually kind of help in catalyzing social change. I think the one of the most important package today was a Red Ribbon package, which is a package of HIV/AIDS films, and the whole event was sponsored by End AIDS India campaign. And for us, that's really important because it's important to talk about HIV/AIDS and say that even if you're HIV positive, it's not the end of the world. Out of the 154 films from 31 countries, around 32 films are in competition, and there are 7 categories of competition: narrative feature, documentary short, Indian narrative short, international narrative short, and the Riyad Wadia Award for Best Emerging Indian Filmmaker. And these awards actually are so valuable. One is, of course, the Kashish. It's a Kashish Award. It's the biggest in South Asia. But also the fact that the Best Narrative Feature and the Indian Narrative Short actually carries 30,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees cash awards, sponsored by Anupam Kher's Actor Prepare Studio. And the Riyad Wadia Award actually has a 15,000 rupees cash award, sponsored by Wadia Movie Tone. And for us, this is important because the filmmakers actually get cash. So today is Friday, the third day, but we still have 2 more days, Saturday and Sunday. So if you have not registered, if you have not come to the festival, come on Saturday, early in the morning, or late afternoon, whatever, whenever you find time, of course. And there's spot registration available. So come here, enjoy the show. And of course, there's a closing ceremony with a grand performances with the award ceremony. Some very, very important guests coming in.
I believe that the more diversity there is, the better it is for everybody. Whether you are part of the alternative or you're part of the mainstream, your life is made much more lively, much more exciting, as long as there are different people around and you make space for those different people in your life.
So the first thing that got me here is, the sense of solidarity and the support that I wanted to give to Sridhar and everybody else who's involved in Kashish. And then, of course, secondarily, it is the films themselves.
I go for all possible festivals. Besides that, since I work as a parent in the LGBT context, therefore Kashish becomes my own festival. Yesterday I saw 5 films, today already I've seen 2. You can see that from my eyes, and I'm going to see at least 3-4 more.
Subscribe to trendspotters.tv for more such updates.